In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto brightness on this device. First of all, just go into settings. Then you need to scroll down from the top over here and click on display and brightness. Now, in order to enable adaptive brightness, you need to click on this switcher next to automatic feature under brightness slider. As you can see, switcher is blue. That means that automatic brightness is now on, but you can always turn it off by clicking on the same one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!